It's 6:56 p.m. in Creighton, Pennsylvania, and we got an eastbound. We don't know the symbol. We heard C39 get held by these, and we thought, okay, they're in like Harm or some crap. No, literally 2 seconds after, a dispatcher says, "Oh, you're waiting for them." They appear. Looks like a coal train. Looks like a coal train. ACC on lead, maybe. Buffers. My first Union Pacific 44. Well, damn, that's my first Union Pacific ES44.
I've been wanting to see it.
Hey, now we both got one, right? Right. Oh no, I'm missing them. No.
You missed them.
Hey, shut up. I'll get one, damn it. Hey, stop swearing. I'm getting none of this. I should have recorded this in 1080-30 so I could, kind of get that, but nope.
I recorded this in 1080-30 like a smart.
I didn't ask you.
Neither did I.
Exactly. Shut up.
Sorry.
I think that was 7506, that 40 DC.
Yeah, that seems about
Or
right.
44 DC, I don't know, I'll look after.
Seems about right. I got a pretty good shot of it.
I got good shots of the road numbers because, Union Pacific locomotives are giant. No! I'm missing that. Oh, wait, no. Oh, damn. There better be one more. I'll see a goddamn ADM car before I see another Met flat spot. Wait,
About 2 weeks ago, I think I missed the same 6K4.
This is 6K4?
I don't know. But, this constant 6K4 about 2 seconds.
Buffer car coming into view. Sadly.
Not last Sunday, but the Sunday before, I missed 6K4 with an ACC and the
Nice.
I think this is that 6K4.
Maybe it's a giant loop, I don't know. Is that a Chrysler down the road? I don't know. They are moving and grooving. Union Pacific buffer. That's the end of what we assume to be NS6K4 out here in Creighton, Pennsylvania. Moving and grooving.
With an ACC leader and a UPG.
Very nice ACC leading it. Nice horn. And, yeah. Well, that's that.